Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO, and in this video I will show you how to check graphics card on this device. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System and scroll down to About section, and here you'll see the graphics card. As you can see, there are multiple GPUs installed in this PC, so we can check the more specific information in the device manager. To open it, right click the taskbar, click task manager, and go to performance, then go to GPU 0, and here is the name of the GPU 0, and here is the GPU 1. And here is the specifications of your graphics card. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.